Hello, this is Ethan, and today I'm going to take out my Wiggly tooth. I have this floss thingy to take my tooth out, and today, to take out my tooth, I'm going to do the door slam, and I'm going to use the door and this flossing to take my teeth out. Okay, so, Daddy, are you ready to tie up? Good.
No, go like this. It's off. It's off.
Not off.
Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, ready?
I don't want to
Okay.
do it.
1, 2, be brave. 3, go!
Push it, slam it.
Slam it. Oh.
Didn't work.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh!
Let me see. Let it see. Show Daddy your mouth. Show Daddy your mouth.
Tooth.
Holy moly!
Ethan, your mouth.
Ooh, okay.
Tooth.
You did it.
You did it, pal.
Awesome.
I found the tooth.
Let's see the tooth. Ooh.
Good job. Okay, look at the camera and say, bye, I did it. Yes.
Hi. Okay, guys, so I already did my door slamming, and see you later. Subscribe and like and press the like button. Now see you later. Bye.